Good morning class. Today we will solve exercise 1.4. So question number first is fill in the blanks. So what should we divide with minus 8 by 35 to get 0? So we will divide it by 0. Okay, because if we divide any number by 0 we will get 0. Okay, understand? Now next one is 7 upon 5 divided by 1. So what should come? 7 upon 5. Okay, understand? Now see the next one. 11 upon 13 divided by dash to get minus 1. So what should we divide? Minus 11 upon 13. Okay, to get minus 1, because if we dividing 11 upon 13 with minus 11 upon 13 we will get minus 1. Okay, understand? Now see the next last one is blank divided by 14 upon 33 to get minus 1. So what should we divide to get minus 1? We will divide it by minus 14 upon 33, because here this is the negative term and this is positive term, so we will get minus 1. Okay, understand? Now next one is verify whether the given number statement are true or false. We have to solve this equation and say that it is true or not. So if we divide 5 upon 27 with 5 upon 27 we will get minus 1. It's wrong, we will get because 1. Okay, so we will write here false. If we divide 3 upon 5 by 2 upon 9 we will get 2 upon 9 divided by 3 upon 5. So no, this is not true, so we will write here false. Okay, so if we divide 3 upon 13 by minus 4 upon 7 we will get minus 4 upon 7 divided by 3 upon 13. This all the sides are equal, so we will write here true, because this statement is true. Okay, understand? Now 3 by 10 divided by minus 4 upon 7 not equal to 4 upon 7 divided by 3 upon 10. So this statement is true or false? True, because both the sides are equal. Okay, are not equal. Now next one is 5 upon 13 divided by 1. So we will get 5 upon 13. So this statement is true. So we will write here T. And this 5 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 8, and the answer of this division divided by minus 3 upon 5 is not equal to 2 upon 5 divided by 3 upon 8 divided by minus 3 upon 5. So here we write here true, because this LHS and RHS are not equal. Okay, understand class? Now see question number 3rd. By taking x is equals to 3 upon 5 and y is equals to minus 1 upon 4, verify that. We have to verify the following equation, and here the value given are x and y. So solve this equation. So here equation given is, what equation should be given? X divided by y is not equal to y divided by x. Given that x is equals to 3 upon 5 and y is equals to minus 1 upon 4. So solve this equation taking LHS, or LHS is x divided by y. So LHS is 3 of x, the value of x is 3 upon 5 divided by minus 1 upon 4. So by dividing these we get one property, 3 upon 5 multiplied by reciprocal of minus 1 upon 4. So 3 by 5 as it is, multiplied by reciprocal of 1 upon 4 is 4 upon minus 1. So multiply this, 3 multiplied by 4, 5 multiplied by minus 1. So what should we get? 4 3s are 12, and 5 multiplied by minus 1 we will get minus 5. So this is your LHS. Okay, understand? Now solve RHS. Your RHS is y divided by x. Now taking RHS, which is y divided by x. So value of y is minus 1 upon 4 and divided by x. So the value of x is 3 upon 5. It means by for dividing this we will write the property 1 minus 1 upon 4 multiplied by reciprocal of 3 upon 5. So the reciprocal of 3 upon 5 is 5 upon 3. It means the opposite denominator of numerator. Okay, understand? So we will write here 5 upon 3. So minus 1 multiplied by 5 and 4 multiplied by 3. What should we get? Minus 1 multiplied by 5 is equals to minus 5. 4 multiplied by 3 is equals to 12. Okay. So this is your RHS. It means LHS and RHS are not equal because here the numerator is 12 and here minus 5 and here minus 5 is the denominator and 12 here is the denominator. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay, we will verify this equation. Understand? Now the second equation you can solve yourself. Now see the second one question. Which is the second question? By taking x is equals to 4 upon 9 and y is equals to minus 2 upon 5 and z is equals to minus 1 upon 4. Verify that. We have to verify one condition. Which one is x divided by y bracket close divided by z not equal to z divided by y divided by z. Okay, so first one right here the condition given not equal to x divided by y divided by z. This is your condition and the given values are given that x is equals to 4 upon 9, y is equals to minus 2 upon 5 and z is equals to minus 1 upon 4. Okay, understand? So solve this equation taking LHS. First we will take LHS. Okay. So our LHS is x divided by y divided by z. Okay, understand? So the value of x is 4 upon 9 divided by the value of y is minus 2 upon 5. Here bracket close divided by z. The value of z is minus 1 upon 4. Okay. So first of all divide this equation. So we will write here 4 upon 9 multiplied by reciprocal of minus 2 upon 5. It means 5 upon minus 2. Okay. Divided by minus 1 upon 4. So what should we get? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 2 multiplied by 5 we will get 10 and 9 multiplied by minus 1 we will get minus 9 divided by minus 1 upon 4. So divide them. So we will write here minus 10 upon minus 9 as it is multiplied by reciprocal of minus 1 upon 4 is 4 upon minus 1. Okay, understand? So your answer is 10 4s are 40 and minus 9 multiplied by minus 1 we will get 9. So this is your LHS. Okay, now taking RHS. Now taking RHS. So by taking what is your RHS? X divided by y divided by z. It means the value of x is 4 upon 9 divided by y divided by z. So y is minus 2 upon 5 divided by minus 1 upon 4. 4 upon 9 as it is divided by, solve this equation, minus 2 upon 5 as it is. And for dividing this we have to write the minus 1 upon 4 reciprocal. So we will write here multiplied by reciprocal of minus 1 upon 4 is 4 upon minus 1. Okay. So 4 upon 9 divided by minus 2 multiplied by 4. So we will write here minus 8 and 5 multiplied by minus 1. So we will write here minus 5. Minus and minus cancel out. So now divided by 4 upon 9 divided by 8 upon 5. So we will write here 4 upon 9 as it is multiplied by reciprocal of 8 upon 5. So we will get up 5 upon 8. Okay. So 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are 8. Now 1 multiplied by 5 and 9 multiplied by 2. So what should we get? 5 1 are 5, 9 2 are 18. So this is your RHS. It means we prove that LHS is not satisfy RHS. It means LHS is not equal to RHS. Here your condition is verified. Okay, understand? Now see the question number 4. Divide the following. Okay, we have to divide the following questions. So question number 4. And the first one will be 3 by 10 divided by 6 upon 20. Okay, so for dividing these we use the divide property. So we will write here 3 upon 10 as it is divided by 6 upon 20. Now 3 upon 10 and multiplied by reciprocal of 6 upon 20. So 3 upon 10 as it is multiplied by reciprocal of 6 upon 20 is 20 upon 6. Okay, understand? Now 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So we multiplied 1 multiplied by 2 and 1 multiplied by 2. So what will we get? 1 into 2 is equals to 2 and 1 multiplied by 2 is equals to 2. 2 ones are 2. So we will write here 1. Okay, so this is your answer. Understand? Now see the next question is 8 upon 7 by 6 upon 21. So how it is divided? 8 upon 7 divided by 6 upon 21. We will write here 8 upon 7 as it is multiplied by reciprocal of 6 upon 21. So reciprocal of 6 upon 21 is 21 upon 6. Okay, now solve this condition. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. So we will write here 8 multiplied by 3 and 1 multiplied by 6. Okay, now 8 threes are 24 and 6 ones are 6. So 6 ones are 6 and 6 fours are 24. So we will write here 4. So this is your answer. Okay, understand? Now the remaining questions you can solve yourself, and question number 5 we will see in the next video. Thank you.